Say goodbye to boring bowls of veggies. Our next guest is raising the salad bar to the next level. Greta Podleski is sharing all kinds of delicious recipes in Yum Yummer, a new cookbook promising to blow your mind but not your diet. And she's here in our kitchen with us today. Thanks so much for being here, Greta.
Good morning.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's talk salads for a second. I have a very narrow interpretation of what a salad is.
Okay, you tell me then.
Well, it's just, for me, it looks a lot like this, repeated.
Okay, no, that's not what we're talking about today.
Yeah.
Today we're talking about non-wimpy winter salads.
Okay.
Because when the weather turns colder, we tend to crave comfort foods, and that includes comfort food type salads. So stuff that's a little bit more substantial, filling, hearty. People like to make this type of salad to take to work for lunch. So one of my most popular ones is a lentil and black bean salad. And it, surprisingly, for a vegan dish, has a lot of protein, and it also has fiber. So it's just black beans.
Okay, let's see.
Black beans and lentils. Okay, I'm gonna make you be the professional stirrer.
I'm a pretty good mixer.
Okay. So black beans and lentils.
Okay, and then
okay,
all
that
this
was
stuff
green
here?
pepper, yeah, red pepper, some corn, finely minced celery, which gives it amazing crunch. Oh, crunch. Crash. And green onions. This is parsley.
Okay.
Okay, so you mix that up, and I'll do this.
So
I'll
I
make
guess,
the dressing.
so what makes a salad is a dressing, I'm guessing, right? Otherwise, this is just a bowl of vegetables.
Yeah, and you know what? The dressing is key. I want dressing to taste so good that I could drink it out of a wine glass,
Okay,
right?
I like that. That's a
So
good
I've got olive
litmus
oil
test.
and red wine vinegar, but I also love this dressing with white balsamic vinegar, if you have any of that at home. So a little bit of lemon juice.
Oh, that's gonna be tangy, huh?
And then, no, because see now, I'm gonna put some either maple syrup for vegan or honey.
Oh,
so we're
wow.
gonna sweeten it just a little bit because we did put all that tang in. And just half a teaspoon of Dijon, okay?
Great.
This is the type of salad
Really
that you
easy.
can keep in the fridge for, honestly, for 5 days.
And
just
my
keep eating it.
guess is those flavors will marry the longer that it stays in the fridge. There's a sweet spot, right?
Yeah, it's kind of that
You can
type
serve
of,
it immediately, but it'll probably taste a little better if you give it a little time.
It's definitely that type of recipe that tastes even better as time goes on.
That's great.
And so if you want fiber and protein, but you want vegetarian, then this is for you. If you want the man salad, then we go over here.
I'm
okay.
gonna try this out. Can I?
So this is my, oh yeah, here.
Here, no,
There
I
you
got this.
go. Got
There
it?
we go. I'm gonna give this a whirl. All right, let's see.
Okay, so there's no chicken in it for you though, but this one has it.
That's really good.
It's good. Yeah, it has a lot of flavor. Okay, so BLT, chicken pasta salad. I refer to this type of salad as the man salad. It'd be great if you're having a Super Bowl party and you need to feed the guys and you want to have a salad option in there. So this is rotini, and I always say to people, use rotini, not fusilli, which is the skinny, wimpy sort of rotini wannabe, because rotini holds the dressing better.
Right, that's what you want. A lot of surface area.
See, you would know that.
I do.
You would know that. Okay, this is my only recipe in the book with bacon.
Greta, what's that?
But it's a must-have. What? I'm so gullible. I'm so gullible. Hey, Greta, look over there. Bacon, green peas, okay?
You're talking my language here.
Red pepper. Okay, a little bit of green onion. Cubed chicken. You can just like use rotisserie chicken if you want to cheat and just do it really quickly,
And again,
okay?
really easy. So you boil the noodles, get them down to room temperature. Is that what you want?
Yeah, I just put them in the strainer and run them under cold water to stop the cooking process. In the bowl they go.
Wow.
And then creamy poppy seed dressing. Now, I've already got it pre-made, but of course I give you the recipe for that. So if you don't want to make homemade dressing, this salad also tastes really good with ranch or Caesar, so if that's your thing. So that gets whisked around or stirred or whatever you want to do.
This is what it's going to end up looking like, right?
Yeah,
okay,
exactly.
I'm going to try this over here. And of course, I got to get some bacon.
Got to get some bacon.
That's fantastic.
That one's good.
You're right,
Okay.
and it,
Okay.
I can tell it's a heartier one.
And it is, and we're talking about non-wimpy winter salads. In Canada, the weather is just, you know, not that great right now. So my last salad that I brought is called California quinoa salad. So it's a little bit more like you're in the tropics when you're eating it, at least temporarily while we endure winter.
Okay, so I'm seeing
red and white
quinoa.
quinoa,
I'm seeing some
mango,
fruit in there.
coconut, almonds, raisins, a little
wow.
bit of red pepper, an amazing dressing, and a
What
bit of
would be
cilantro.
what would be the dressing on this one?
It's like olive oil, lime,
I?
yeah, a little bit of Dijon, just like super, super simple. It's got edamame beans in there.
That's really good.
It is good. I love it.
I like this one a lot.
It's because it's so different, right?
Yeah.
And so people love that. And that's another one that I love to put in little containers and pack and take to work for
That
lunch.
is fantastic. All three of them are fantastic. And I got to say, during the commercial break, we were going through your book. It's not just salads in here. There are so many incredible looking recipes. You made them all yourself?
I create all the recipes, do the photography. It's 80% gluten-free, 60% vegetarian, but I still do chicken, fish, beef, pork.
Greta, thank you so much for coming into the Your Morning Kitchen.
That was
We
a lot of
appreciate
fun.
it. And you can find today's recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.